Hey, it's Rooster Grillo back with another DIY, and please ignore my appearance. I did not feel like putting on makeup today, but I'm super excited because fall's coming, which means we get to do fall DIYs, and I was thinking it'd be fun to rework this denim jacket with this Charlotte Russe sweater because I've seen like Pinterest denim jackets where it has like the sweater sleeves, so I kind of want to try it for myself. And I also have this other denim jacket I want to rework, but not sure what I want to do with it yet, so we'll see if we get to it in this video. If not, I can make a part 2. Comment down below. Also, someone donated 3 garbage bagfuls of clothing, and I wanted to know if you wanted me to do like a little haul video of all the clothes that she donated because she has really cute stuff. So comment down below for that too. Now, starting with the DIY, I don't like how the chains look, so I think I'm going to seam rip all of them out. And honestly, this took so long, but was worth it because I think it looks so much better without it. And I also noticed that there was lace on the bottom of it, so I might keep the lace. Now, going in with the sleeves, I thought the best idea would be to put the sweater over the denim jacket where the sleeve is supposed to lay. That way I can figure out like where I should cut my sweater, but then I realized there's already a seam on it that matches perfectly, so I decided to just try and seam rip that out. And the seam ripping was taking so long that I decided to just cut it, which I didn't want to do because it would fray more, but it was just easier this way. And then after, this is what my sleeve looked like, and I'm laying it on the denim jacket to see like if I like it, which I really do. I think this is so cool. Then I realized that on my other side of my sleeve, the patchwork is not the same, so I decided to lay my sweater cut sleeve over the other sleeve. That way I can cut it out and make sure that they're both the exact same size. Afterwards, I laid the sleeve over the denim jacket, and like I laid it flat and marked where I would cut the denim sleeve off. And I did this to both sides, but I realized that my denim sleeve or my knit sleeve is so much longer than I expected. It goes all the way to almost the bottom, so I'm just like marking all of that, and then afterwards I cut the sleeves off, which I forgot to show you. I forgot to put my camera back on. Afterwards, I overlocked the edges of my knit fabric, and then I'm going to stitch the neckline down first because the neckline is going to lay flat, and then I'm going to stitch the rest of the sleeve. I'm cutting about a 1/4 inch into my denim fabric just because when I sew it together, it'll lay flat that way. Now I'm pinning in the neckline. This, like I said before, is going to lay flat, so I'm just pinning it flat along the edge. Now I'm going in and pinning the rest of it, which is crazy because I realized I didn't make my sleeves long enough either, so I had to go in and cut extra denim fabric out and pin it, and I did the exact same thing to the other side too. And this is what my sleeves look like pinned in, and I'm so sorry if you hear that noise outside. Someone decided to mow when I was in the middle of recording. And now I'm just gonna go stitch it together with the overlock machine, and this is what it looks like stitched together. Like, you see those lines so they don't fray. If you don't have an overlock machine, you can use a zigzag stitch too. And this is what the sweater looks like after. It looks so weird, like I can't get over it. But I also decided that I might add some like patchwork knit designs around it. Not sure if I'm going to do this, but thought I'd just play around with it and see. And I thought it looked cool on the bottom, but I don't know if I'm vibing with it. I found this back piece too, and I kind of like the back piece, like just like a random triangle. Am I weird? Like, I don't know, it's artsy to me. In the end, I ended up not adding the extra detail, but this is how it came out. I really love it. Like, it's so pretty. If you like this denim jacket, I'm selling it on my sustainable shop, so definitely go check it out. Comment if you want another DIY of the other denim jacket I have, and definitely like and subscribe if you want to see more DIYs and sustainable fashion inspo from me. I really love your feedback, so please comment down below for part 2 to this video, if I should do a clothing haul of all the clothes I have and more. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next YouTube video.